Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm going to have an upcoming video on this beautiful key cutting wonder, hand operated, and you're going to love it. What do you think it cuts? Well, you're going to be shocked. It cuts these beautiful little keys. Now this company right here, I ordered from eBay some code cut keys, and they're depth keys. So I'm going to pick this lock. Nice little lock. I'm going to use these southward picks. And after I pick it, I'm going to decode the key, and I'm going to cut a new key with this gem of a tool. It's made by WENXING. That's the company. Nice tool. In a future video, I'm going to show you all about this pocket pick. You are going to think you have been out west and you've got a knife, but really it's a pick. So this company, Southford, is a great company. You can get all kinds of things from lockpicks.com. You can get this WENX key cutting wonder for tubular locks. I'll cut a bunch of keys, show you how it works. It cuts these stock lock keys from Compex. This is a Compex lock, and I think you're going to love it. So tune in for more wonderful door and lock tips like this, and I'll show you just how this stuff works. You need to know. Thanks again. This is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. Yeah.
Choppers, better cook those risks. Cool, but in my fists we fire starters. One out of a million will reach those heights. Always in the field and then I won't deny that work. Never could toss. Look in my eyes, I'm on the rocks. Rise. A couple milli now, I'm causing a commotion. I've been coasting, hear my name around the world like an explosion.